So basically this is the latest of what's going down. So my car's been in the garage for like the last 2 months, coming up to like, no, it's 2 months. So when I gave it to him, I gave him the car. I needed to touch up here and there, like front bumper lids, like literally like little smart repairs here and there. Some stone chips on the bonnet, blah blah blah. I gave him the car. He said, 2 weeks. I said to him, you know what, Phil, take your time, which I don't think was the best thing to say to him, because 2 months later, I've called him up and he said to me, yeah, well, I haven't really been working on it and it's gonna take to the end of April. So I was like, end of April, yeah, okay. Pissed off inside, trying to keep calm. Yeah, okay, cool. End of April now, which is now. I called him up and said, what's going on in the car? And you know me, I don't like to bug people, man. At the same time, you don't want to rush them because you don't want a crap job. But yeah, so I called him up. This is the second time I called him. He's had the car two months. I called him up, said to him, yo, what's going on? He goes, do you really need it? I said, because he knows I've got 2 cars. I said, yeah, I need it, because like I use it the majority of the time for like my YouTube stuff. And anyway, so he goes, you know what, come down and I need some help with some other stuff, and you can like start fitting up the car. And so I'm like, okay, cool. So I've come down to Reading, hour-and-a-half drive from where I am, from Holloway. Not loving the journey, I hate traffic and that. Luckily it wasn't too bad. I'm dreading on the way back. I'm gonna go and have a look at this car, see what condition it's in, see what's been repaired. Stay tuned, because oh man, I don't know, I might blow up in the garage. I might blow up. I don't really want to show like me blowing up or anything, so yeah. Anyway, let's go and check this Golf out. So this is the latest, the condition that the car's in. Still got both quarter panels to do. Done the front bumper, both wings, bonnet, all the little touch up, the small bits, the front grille, the front lip spoiler, and wing mirrors, all in moonrock grey, which I asked him to do, and the rest of it in gloss black. So it's looking like a full respray, because he's had to do the roof as well, because the roof had some rust and that. We know these cars, man, they're like 13-14 years old. So, and this guy here is a bit of a perfectionist, so any little thing he's gonna see, you're just gonna kind of do. So I guess it's a good thing. I just need to have a bit of patience, and I hope you guys can have a bit of patience with me as well. It's mad, man. Hopefully I just want to get back on the road and then take it from there, man. Hopefully it should be cool, should be clean, should look a little bit different from the rest. One thing I was thinking about, and I need some of your advice, some of what, I don't know what you guys think about this, because basically I want to, ideally, these strips here that go along the side strips, ideally I'd like to take off and flush the whole sides. Let me know what you think about that. And it's kind of like a Euro look. Is it going to mess the car up, do you think? Is it going to take away the halfway to this? Let me know, bro. Let me know, guys. Let me know, girls, whoever's watching. Let me know, because yeah, this is a project, man. But yeah, it's taking a bit long. I'm not peed off. I'm only playing about being peed off. But yeah, because the car's on this YouTube thing, so that's my main concern. I got the other car over there. We're in Bournemouth. We're about to go up to the garage. The car's up there, it's been up there for a few weeks now. I've got my boy with me, he's going to help me do the calipers, because I need to do the calipers and spray the alloys black. And I was in two minds about spraying the alloys black. But It's the look that I'm going for. Anyway, stay tuned. Boom. Let's go, bruv.